morning all. A very good happy Teachers Day to you all. Our beloved process on the dais, Dr. V.V. Narayan Rao and Dr. Anil Babu, and my dear Associate Professor Dr. Rajan, Assistant Professors, all Assistant Professors, our SRs, our would-be Artho, PGs, more surgeons, and staff. I welcome you all to this August gathering on the occasion of Teachers Day. Once again on this 5th September. So as a teacher in the medical college, it is our utmost responsibility to see that the teachers who are entering into the society would be very good doctors, surgeons, maintaining the doctor-patient relationship, and on the top of it, a good human being. Being human is very simple. So we're already born as a human being. So having human qualities is essential for you as a doctor in the society, because this being a noble profession. So always you should show your noble qualities to the society. Thereby you will be considered as a good doctor in the society. As our students told, doctor-patient relationship is on the verge of eradication. That's what I feel. That is why we are having some troubles in the society. So, for you to maintain a good doctor-patient relationship, you should be confident enough to practice whatever you learn in the medical college. So that means that you need to be powered with knowledge by the time you go out of the college. So if you work with confidence, definitely most of the problems that are cropping up with the doctor-patient relationship will be eliminated. That's what I feel usually when I teach my students. So I thank all my teachers, right from my elementary school to the medical college, both undergraduate and postgraduate, on this occasion. Wherever they are there, I am thankful to them, grateful to them throughout my life, because what I am doing today is because of them. So as a practical Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava. So manaki mother, father, parents ga, they are very good teachers in our house. And the teacher in the schools or colleges, for us in the medical colleges, they guide us, they teach us, they teach us all the skills and all the good things before we come out of the college. So it is for us to take up to our heart what they teach us, the essence of the teachings, the essence of the skills, the essence of the knowledge before we go out of the college. Don't think that this 3 years period as a postgraduate is a relaxation period, because we know that you have come into this college with great hardship by reading twice or thrice or sometimes maybe a single attempt you will be entering into this college. Very prestigious pre-independence college of Puttur Medical College. To enter into this, you need to be a cream of the society. You need to have very good ranks. Otherwise, you will never be able to enter into this college. But after having gone through this hardship, once you come here, what I am observing is you are relaxing, which should not happen. Actually, this is where your life starts as a postgraduate. So post-graduation is a very important period in your life, wherein you will learn all the things which are essential for you to go into the society or into another medical college as a teacher. I always request you to become good teachers in the college, as we are not having teachers in the college because most of them are opting for the medical practice outside. So when you are really having this particular attitude while you are in the college, because so many colleges are coming up throughout the nation, and we thank our central government for getting this, for bringing out this NEET PG entrance. Thereby we have a lot of acculturation in the form of postgraduate students coming from different states of India. So welcome all the students who are coming to the first year. On this occasion, we have come from different states. So acculturation will happen. The exchange of the language, the exchange of the ideas, the exchange of the knowledge and the culture from where they have come. We definitely acculturate. We call this as acculturation. So this should happen. Thereby, the nationality will be totally improved. So what we are lacking, what I observed in the Indian circumstances is there is no single binding force between the Indian nationals. That's why we always think that we are Telugus or we are Tamils. Likewise, we are not having this nationalism. That's what I feel, very pitiable situation. So this particular NEET exam really will make us a more Indian rather than a particular state. That is also very important. Wherever you come, suppose if a Keralite has come here, you can also practice here. We welcome them to practice here once they are really accustomed to this particular culture. So that is how we should grow together. Wherever we are there, we spread the smiles of spread the fragrance of smiles of our knowledge and our goodness to miles. So spreading smiles across the miles is your attitude as a doctor in the noble profession. So they expect a lot from you, the public. So if you really serve them with a smile on your face, powered with knowledge, with your skills, and if you really bring them as an orthopedic surgeon in the society, at the earliest to the pre-injury status, definitely they will always be grateful to you throughout their life. So this is the doctor-patient relationship. So think about the patient from all angles, right from the family background, socio-economic background, all backgrounds. Then you just do a holistic approach of the patient workup. Definitely you will be able to get good solutions for the patient problem, and you will be able to bring the patient to the pre-injury status, and you will become a good doctor in the society. So this is what Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who has the history of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan has already been given. So he is actually very good orator. ఆయన భారతీయ తత్వశాస్త్రం అనే మంచి పుస్తకం రాశాడు. ఆయన వెరీ గుడ్ preacher also, and always used to tell to the students that the ladder should come to me. I should not go to the ladder to, అంటే మనం ఇప్పుడు ఉన్నామనుకోండి, మనం will beg all the others in the society to, will do that, will do this. But the opportunities in those days have come to his feet. That's what is essence of telling in this particular statement of ladder will come to me, I don't go to the ladder. So that is how he really stepped up through the ladder of success throughout his life. He has become the first vice president of India, second president of India. It's not that easy. He has become Bharat Ratna. And in 1962, the central government has announced on his plea, because he was treated every occasion as a good teacher, as a best teacher, as a best orator, best preacher likewise. So in his end days, actually when he was greeted by this somebody, so he asked them, so you better celebrate my birthday on September as Teachers' Day. So from 1962 onwards, this is a tradition for us to commemorate his birth anniversary as Teachers' Day throughout the nation. So this is how he has become such a great person in the society, that because of his teachings throughout the globe, not just in India. So when he was asked by somebody, you should have become a student in the Oxford also because you have learned a lot. But he was telling that at the time to them, I wanted to go to Oxford as a teacher from India, not as a student. I don't want to study in the abroad because so many good teachers are there in the Indian society. I don't want to be learning from Western society. That is how his proudness as an Indian, great Indian. So that is how they have become so great persons. And that's what we all request you to become, because this is the area, medical college area, that is the noble profession. You have very good opportunities to become a good human being in the society when compared to all the other faculties. So we know everybody will be telling that to become a teacher is very easy, but to become a medical teacher is not that easy. That is why becoming a medical teacher for you is an opportunity throughout your life. So try to cultivate the habit of teaching your students. That is, suppose if you are a house surgeon, teach the final year students. If you are a PG student, teach the house surgeons and the final year students. Likewise, at every step, that's what in our guide also, this logbook also, they say that in the new curriculum in the NMC also, you should teach the level down your level. That is how the teaching goes on, because unless you communicate practice the communication skills in the college days itself by teaching your lower levels, by communicating with your teachers, with your peer groups, with the patients, definitely you are going to be a good doctor and also in the colleges as a good teacher. So that's what I plead, that's my request to all my students, that you try to become very good teachers in the colleges, because so many colleges are coming up nowadays, because we don't have such an opportunity. So for us to enter into medical college, especially the government college as a teacher, it was a very great hardship. I tried for 3 successive years. I applied, I didn't get, so I went to Bird Hospital Tirupati, and there I joined as an orthopedic surgeon. Because I don't have other goal, unless I get a job, I will not be able to have any hold in the society. So that was my situation. That was my plight actually, I can tell you. So that was my plight. Unless I have a job, I don't have money. So I went to Tirupati from Guntur. I worked in Bird Hospital. So 3 years until I get my job. And I got my job in the medical college, in the Guntur Medical College. So before I entered into this, I worked in PHC, Primary Health Center, Nizamapatnam also. See how hardship it is to come to a medical college like this. But nowadays, why I am telling you this is, all these have been totally settled actually. Now so many medical colleges around, private, government. So whatever you can as well choose as a professional teacher in the medical college. So that is what I would like to. So all the time I am telling to my postgraduate students, especially the 3 years are very essential. First year you have something to learn. So don't waste that particular time, learn the basics. Second year you have something. Always we are telling that don't waste that particular year. If you come to the final year, you are overburdened with your thesis work and the work here. And so finally you will be facing the exam wherein you will face the troubles. So trouble of passing out. So this one, don't beg the teachers to pass you out. So always walk through the college with flying colors with your knowledge. So don't beg anybody to pass. So if you want to have this particular situation, definitely you need to strive hard, work hard for all the 3 years in a specific manner. But here this is a very good college where there are so many teachers like Narayan Rao, Anil Babu, who will teach you all the time. All the time they will teach you at the bedside, in the OP, in the OT, while doing the surgery. So everywhere there is an opportunity to learn. So don't miss this opportunity. And so thereby you will become a very good doctor in the society, and also you will pass out easily from this college. That's what you should take it up to, take this helping hand and take it to your heart that we are all good to help you out. We are all always there to help you out. But you are not able to take this helping hand. Most often I am observing this. So always try to take this helping hand. Follow your logbook, follow your teachers, and always be with your books. Always don't discuss all the nonsense things. Discuss only the subject when you are in the college. You enjoy your life, but always we want you to be with your books and the knowledge when you are in the college and in the premises. So if you want to go to a cinema, we don't object. But at the same time, you have to gain the knowledge by following this. So I don't want to again go into every year I am just doing this, trying selling the same thing, telling the same thing. So another important thing is research. We are not having the research attitude. So at least we are here to inculcate research habits to you. So try to pick it up and try to go through your journals, questionnaires, ask us how to guide you also. You stimulate the teachers. See, teachers always will be overburdened with so many works, as Professor Narayan was telling. But it is your job to poke the teachers, thereby you will get the knowledge. So when you poke your teacher, no teacher here, always, including your assistant professors, definitely you will teach you So sometimes when you are busy, you just bring a case which is of interesting, academic interested case. Definitely we are there to teach you or to guide you. So everywhere your best teacher is your peer groups and your teachers in the college, right from your HOD process to the associate process to the assistant process. And everywhere there is one teacher, best teacher for you in the college is patient. Patient gives you knowledge. And when you go out of the college, patient will give you money also. So it is the knowledge and the money that is coming from you is through the patient. So patient is most important part of your life as long as you practice medicine. Unless you enter into politics, definitely you are going to practice medicine. Definitely patient is going to be your best guru. So always have very good relationship with the patients and their relations. They go to the patient with a smiling face and with a friendly talk. Definitely you are going to have this particular very good life throughout your life when you really do this. So మనకి కరోనా వచ్చింది కదా, ఒక్క క్షణం పర్లేదు, ఒక్క క్షణం. మన కరోనా అప్పుడు బ్లడ్ బాయిల్ అయిపోయి రాసుకున్న చిన్న కవిత చదువుతాను. అది గజల్ యాక్చువల్గా. ఇది సాటి లేని మేటి గురువు కలియుగాన కరోనానే. అంటే నేను మంచి సింగర్ని కాదు, నేను చదవడం చేయగలుగుతాను. గజల్ పాడితే అద్భుతంగా ఉంటుంది. అది ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసే టైం కుదరట్లేదు. సాటి లేని మేటి గురువు కలియుగాన కరోనానే, అడవి నరికి నదులు మురికి బుద్ధి లేక చేసినానే. అడవి నరికి నదులు మురికి బుద్ధి లేక చేసినానే. హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ వేర్ రియల్లీ టోటలీ డిస్ట్రాయింగ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ద నేచర్ అరౌండ్ us. నడుస్తున్న శ్మశానం ఘాటు పడిన గర్భసంచి, ధనాశతో దీపం పెట్టు ఆడపిల్ల చిదిమినానే. దిస్ ఆల్ వి నో. దిస్ ఇస్ ఫీటిసైడ్స్ ఇన్ ద when the female child in the mother's womb. యాంత్రికముగా యంత్రాలతో ఓజోనుకు పొగలు పెట్టి కాలుష్యపు కోరలలో భావితరం పెట్టినానే. దిస్ ఈస్ ద పొల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎయిర్ అండ్ ఆల్ ద నాన్ సెన్స్ థింగ్స్. ఎవరీ అడల్టరీ ఆఫ్ ద ఫుడ్ మెటీరియల్స్, ఎయిర్ ఈస్ పొల్యూటెడ్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ దేర్ ఇస్ ఎ పొల్యూషన్. నిర్జీవి కొమ్ములతో కుమ్ముతుంట ఇంట నక్కి గబ్బిలాల వైరస్సుల చేతిలోన చచ్చినానే. ప్రకృతిని మహిళలని హింసించే జంతు జాతి అద్వితీయ యశస్వీయ మాట విని బతికినానే. అంటే ఇది యశస్వీయ life unless it enters into the human self. So కరోనా ఆత్మ ఎవరాత్మ? మనిషి ఆత్మే. అలా కరోనా చెప్పినట్లుగా మనిషి ఇలా ఉండాలి, ఇలా చేయకూడదు అంటూ రాసిన ఒక కరోనా ఆత్మకథ ఒక బుక్ దీర్ఘకాలమే రాశాను. అది హెస్ గాట్ వెరీ గుడ్ రెస్పాన్స్ ఇన్ ద సొసైటీ. సరే, అది నా గురించి చెప్పుకోవడానికి కాదు. కరోనా ఈజ్ ఎ టీచర్ ఫర్ us. దట్ ఈస్ ద everywhere there is a teacher in the society, I mean in the society or in the nature. Nature is the best teacher for us. Nature. So everywhere teach the nature will teach you. అలా రాసిందనమాట. ఇంకొక చిన్న చదివి వదిలేస్తాను. మంచి గురువు గురించి నా రాష్ట్రం గజలు. నేను చాలాసార్లు అడుగుతున్నా, నేను చెప్పలేకపోతున్నాను. ఇవాళ తీసుకొచ్చాడు. అది రాయినా మళ్ళీ ఆ ఫ్లోలో వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, వెనక్కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. మళ్ళీ ముందుకు వెనక్కి అలవాటు లేదు నాకు. మనసులోని మలినమంత మెరుగుపెట్టు మంచి గురువు. మనసులోన మలినమంత మెరుగుపెట్టు మంచి గురువు. వయసులోని పొగరునంత మట్టుబెట్టు మంచి గురువు. చెప్తుంటాం, దిస్ ఈస్ ద ప్రైమ్ ఏజ్. డోంట్ వేస్ట్ యువర్ బ్రెయిన్ ఎనర్జీ అండ్ యువర్ ఎనర్జీ అని చెప్తూ ఉంటాం ఆల్ ద టైమ్. సో వయసులోని పొగరునంత మట్టుబెట్టు మంచి గురువు. అడవిలోని అడ్డదిడ్డ తరువునైనా సరిచేసి, అడవిలోని అడ్డదిడ్డ తరువు అంటే మొక్క, తరువునైనా సరిచేసి ఆలయాన నిలబెట్టిన దండబెట్టు మంచి గురువు. మనం మంచిగా దాన్ని కార్వింగ్ చేసి మంచి శిల్పం చేసి మనం దేవుడి గుళ్ళో పెట్టి దండబెట్టు. కోరికనే గుర్రమైతే చెన్నకోల చడిపించి, కోరికనే గుర్రమైతే చెన్నకోల చడిపించి భయం పెట్టి దారినట్టు మంచి గురువు. మన కోరికలకు అందరూ కూడా ఉంటాయి. వాటిని చూసి అబ్జర్వ్ చేసి దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ యూ షుడ్ డూ అట్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ టైం, దిస్ ఇస్ వేర్ యూ నీడ్ టు బి కాషియస్ అని చెప్పేదే మంచి గురువు. గోడ కుర్చీ వేసినేమి బుర్రలోకి పంపినట్టే సరస్వతిని నెత్తినట్టు మంచి గురువు. చిన్నప్పుడు మా గోడ కుర్చీ వేయించేవాడు. నాకైతే ఈ చేతుల నుండి పగిలిపోయి బెత్తం పెట్టి కొట్టేవాడు ఈ నకల్స్ మీద. అసలు అది మనకి 3rd డిగ్రీ పోలీస్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ లాగా ఉండేది. ఇట్లా కొట్టేవాడు. అందుకే చదువు వచ్చిన అనిపిస్తుంది. గోడ కుర్చీ వేసినేమి బుర్రలోకి పంపినట్టే సరస్వతిని నెత్తినట్టు మంచి గురువు. సరస్వతిని అట్లా మన నెత్తి మీద కూర్చోబెట్టి పంపించారు మనకి ఇక్కడ. నిజంగానే యశస్వీయం అవును సుమా, నిజంగానే యశస్వీయం అవును సుమా. వారు చెప్పే అక్షరాలే అన్నమెట్టు మంచి గురువు. మనకి కనీసం ఆ 2 అక్షరాలు చెప్పబట్టి అది మనకి Annam throughout life, it will give us the food what we are eating and what we are giving to our family. So that's why give back to society wherever you practice. That is what the give back to society concept means you are getting whatever, your knowledge, your money, and your bliss, everything you are getting to society. So give back to society to certain extent whatever you earn, maybe 10%. That's what I practice. I'm practicing 10% of my earnings will be given to the society in the form of so many philanthropic activities. So you also do this, spread smiles across miles wherever you practice. So I wish you all the best, especially to the final year students. A very good winning spree as your yesterday year students did. So I wish you a bright, grand gala success in your exams. Of course, to all the students also, I wish you all the bright future. Thank you, my dear students, for attending such a nice wherein we really talk to each other, where we can teach you something. So thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Thank you all house surgeons also for doing. I know you have taken the hands of the house surgeons also. So I thank our colleague professors who are with me in guiding you all throughout my career. So thank you.